With the Moderna vaccine arriving this week in Missouri, long-term care facilities are beginning to prepare for vaccinations. But some are concerned that vaccines may not come to patients in the Phase 1 distribution plan that are receiving at-home care. ABC 17's Victoria Bragg spoke with home health care officials in Victoria. What do they have to say?
Lucas, I spoke with an administrator at Emrys Health who tells me they have more patients than ever participating in at-home care to reduce the risk of exposure to the virus.
Since the pandemic, many family members have transferred their loved ones out of long-term care facilities to reduce their risk of exposure to the virus.
We've had caregivers, which are usually, again, friends or family members who live nearby, both take their loved ones out of nursing homes due to the, just the nature of the homes and the fact that they're at a high risk of exposure to the virus and the adverse outcomes that we've seen across the country in care homes.
Emrys Healthcare is one of the companies that works with patients' Medicaid to provide them with home health care.
And we've also had people that, in theory, could be admitted to nursing homes, but chose instead to remain at home with the help of a family or friend member to, again, assist them in their activities of daily living and avoid admission to a home where, again, the exposure to COVID-19 would be highly problematic.
Khan says many of their patients that receive at-home health care live in rural areas that make it harder for them to receive the vaccine. And there's a concern they may be last on the list at the chance of receiving the COVID vaccine.
However, distribution, again, to small rural areas, small towns that may or may not even have a health clinic is obviously going to be kind of the last stop on the road. So we see this as it is what it is. We want these people to get the vaccine as soon as possible, but we understand that distribution to a rural area is much more difficult.
Coming up at 6, I spoke with some local organizations about their plans to vaccinate their at-home patients. Reporting live in Columbia, I'm Victoria Bragg, ABC 17 News.
Victoria, thank you. The Trump